Esteban and I were thinking we were going to do a little demo video here for the newest implement, the Rototiller. So we got a spot picked out and we're going to go ahead and we're hoping the conditions are dry enough and I don't make a bunch of mud, but Esteban, why don't you go ahead and turn the camera around and say hi.
Hi.
And let's give them a little shot here of the tines. And this is the area we've got picked out in the yard to get worked up. We're gonna see how it goes. I'm hoping. Okay, everybody, this is what we got. I think I'm gonna plant some wildflowers, something. We'll do something. Machine held up. It was rocky, but none of my tines are loose, and nothing broke, so just another day in the life.